Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change owner and organization name in Windows 10. Type WinVer. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows NT. Click current version. Open registered organization. You can change your organization name. Open registered owner. You can change registered owner name. Close and exit registry editor. Right-click Start button, click Run. Type WinVer. Owner name and organization name changed successfully. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.